Hello everyone, this printer is Brother MFC-L2800DW. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi direct. If you go to the menu, scroll down to network, select OK. It will show you WLAN, Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct, then you select OK. Wi-Fi direct manual, select OK. Then you show you Wi-Fi direct on or off. Then you use up arrow to switch it on. And it's showing us connecting. It's showing us Wi-Fi direct, and also it will show you the password for the Wi-Fi direct. So it's showing us Wi-Fi direct details and also the password. So you need to write down the password. The next thing to do is to connect this to Wi-Fi direct on your mobile phone. What you need to do is you need to go to your phone settings, select Wi-Fi network, then go to Wi-Fi network connections. Then it will show you the networks available. So you select direct/IJMFC-L2800DW. Then you need to put the password, which is the information that I wrote from the screen. So I'm going to put the password. Double check the information you put. Then the next thing to do, you need to select connect. Checking the quality of your internet. It's connected. Connected without internet. So this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi direct. And if you look on the screen, we also show you connected. Press OK. So this printer is now connected to Wi-Fi direct. And also it will show you on the mobile phone, connected Wi-Fi direct, connected without internet. So this is how to connect this printer to Wi-Fi direct. Thank you very much indeed.